We're walking up to Luke's parents' cottage to have some.
The cottage that I grew up going to. It's actually my grandparents'.
Yeah. Our cottage is over here, and his parents' cottage is like on the opposite kind of end down here. But it's a nice little walk. It's kind of chilly out. Not really cold, but Ezra's not used to it. His legs were really cold this morning in his bed.
Probably got down into the low 60s.
Yeah. But we're gonna go up there and have maybe some breakfast. Make breakfast for Ezra at Luke's parents' cottage. It's so pretty and quiet out right now. Good morning.
Good morning, Dad. One thing we work at versus coffee.
Uncle. Can you say I love you?
Do you want a plate under your thigh?
Yeah.
I love everything he tries to say. Ezra, say love you.
Say love you.
Love you. That's him trying to say it. Kiss. Give Uncle a kiss.
Can I have a kiss?
Look at his
Mwah.
face.
Mwah.
This is a lid to the cup.
Have a kiss?
What is he eyeing right now?
Oh, by the way, I called John. I left him a voicemail and he didn't pick up. But I pretty was detailed, you know. Thank him for everything.
Stink the stank, boy. That's right, kid.
Okay. It's not a way to wipe your face.
That's fine. That's how I do it.
You having fun with Grandpa?
Oh, he's so cute. Look at that yawn. You had a hard time breathing last night.
Did you sit? This is the cottage.
Good boy. Say good boy.
Ezra almost makes me want to get a puppy. How much he loves puppies. Like,
Think twice before you do that.
oh, I will. Oh, there's my kid.
Alright.
Yeah, Ezzy. Go, Ezzy. Go, Ezzy.
Luke and
Go,
James are
Ezzy.
going to get gas for the boat.
Oh, yeah,
That's the update on this day.
Oh, that you want to siphon it from the vehicle into our mouth?
Into her mouth.
You're cute. And Ezra's playing in the dirt with a ball with Jamie. And Luke put his swim shirt on. Poor thing is probably sweating bullets. But he's confident. Yeah. It's funny how Luke's the protective one and I'm not. I'm like, let's just take the shirt off, please.
This is hot. He's gonna burn.
Wait, tell him to put his hat on, Jamie. I want to see what he does.
He's burning. He's burning.
Jamie, take his hat off and tell him to put it on. I want to see what he's gonna do.
I love how he just looked over here. Look at mommy.
Say cheese. It was like, if I did it, it's the ab workout that hurts. It hurts so bad. Is it yummy, Ezra? Yeah. It's because it's just the part that's over my rib cage. Because when I do it, we just transferred Ezra over to the grandparents' boat.
Jay, what did you do? Dive in at 6 a.m.? Yeah.
We got a cluster of people out there on the rock.
You're okay, kid. That's called swimming.
It's only, like, I could probably
Called swimming.
Ezra, hi! 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 We are parting our ways now. Heading back to the bay. Ezra's getting quite sleepy.
Can you say hi?
Hey Ezra, look!
Who's that? Say hi. Who's that? Can you wave?
He's not even looking. Look. Walking back to the cottage from our boat ride. Does it look blonder? I guess.
Remember when it was literally like black?
Yes.
It's kind of a lot of work.
That's not how it works.
Well, he's like, there's no.
He's like, I might as well just bring.
I want you back at 9:30, okay?
It reminds me of something that is like haunted or something.
It looks like devil horns.
Looks like a
There. Still floating to the right when the fireworks light it up.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it.
He's like, oh, walk around. You get the idea.
Happy birthday.
I think up here at night.